Hey, welcome to Motor Maintenance. Today I'm going to be trying to cook chicken on my engine. I've heard about it before, never tried it, and always been curious about whether or not it works and if it's really even worth it. So today I'm going to find out. I'm on a little drive here to the state of New York. It's going to be about a 7-hour drive, but I think from what I've read, it should only take about an hour to cook. I don't know. We'll find out, and I'll show you guys how I did it. So I'm going to try to do this all on the passenger seat since I'm all alone. Which, I guess that's how that works. So, I'm going to open up the box of aluminum foil. And I'm going to lay out a few pieces. I'm thinking, I don't know, 3 pieces? I've heard some people just like to go crazy with it. I don't know if it's all real necessary. Maybe I'll do 3 on the bottom and then 3 on the outside. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay, so now the important thing as far as what everybody else was stressing is to get it wrapped really tight in there. Or maybe it's not tight in there, but make sure that no air gets out or in. Because you don't want the chicken to dry out and you don't want whatever's exhaust fumes or whatever may be inside your engine in case you have like a, I don't know, exhaust manifold leak like somebody in this Jeep might. So I'll wrap that up like that, and then I'm going to seal off the ends and I'm going to roll it up like this. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It feels nice and tight. So that's how I'm going to do this one. I might do it differently on the other one. Well, I put a little bit less care into prepping this one. A little more of like a I live in a van down by the river type of cooking dinner enthusiasm in here. So I think on this one I'm going to try to leave a little bit of a lip up in the air here. And then when I bring this one around, maybe I'll meet it in the middle here. And then this way I can wrap it up like that. And that's one of the ways I've seen people do it. And then I'll wrap the ends up like this too. So, if you've ever done this on a grill, I guess it's supposed to be pretty close to the same thing. I haven't, and that feels good. I can't see that coming loose. And I'll wrap each of these in another piece of aluminum foil. And the reason for that is because you're inside the vehicle, inside the engine bay, pieces are moving around, parts are moving around. If the chicken's in there, pinched between something, you're going to want to make sure that the aluminum foil doesn't get rubbed away. I mean, it's kind of crazy to think that there's one piece of chicken inside here. This is huge. See how this goes. And one more going on. And now I just got to find a place in the engine for these. Well, now I'm outside the Jeep here. I just found the spot I'm going to keep these, which I'm going to put them right there in between the fuel rail and the careful there. This one is not as close as it looks to the accelerator cable. These guys and if they do, well, we got plan B. So apparently, it's done. It's been about an hour. So now it's time to check on it. Okay, so now I just gotta grab them things out of there. Oh man, I can't get these guys out of here. Okay, turn it sideways. There we go. Okay, so that's one of them. Oh, I'll tell you what, that one's not feeling too warm. Well, this one's a little warm, but definitely not cooked chicken warm, I'd assume. You know what, I'm just going to say that this is not warm enough. We're going to have to find somewhere hotter. For sure. Oh, okay. I'm going to go a little bit deeper in the engine here and try to get it in a better place. Maybe I can. Oh. Okay, that should give me enough space to get that right against the valve cover. Okay. Oh. Okay, so put those closer, and now we're going to give it another, I don't know, another half hour. Convenient. That was the timer. I was just about to tell you that stop number 2 to see whether or not this is going to work. It's been about 45 minutes, so I'm hoping that those things are toasty. We'll see. Well, they feel a little warm, but not like crazy hot, you know? Like this is completely manageable by hand, so I don't know about this one. I'll tell you, that chicken still runs out of there. That doesn't even look partially cooked. Well, I hate to say it, but that's probably busted. I don't think you would ever be able to cook something on there. I mean, it's been 45 minutes since I moved it to that place, and it doesn't even look like the chicken's cooked at all. Maybe I gotta try a different place next time, but as far as right now is concerned, I'm getting some Burger King. Can I get a double Whopper with cheese?
Meal is just the same, right?
Let's make it a meal.